Hey, guys. Welcome back to Stay Healthy. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most common fitness goals, losing belly fat. Belly fat is not only a cosmetic issue, but it's also linked to many health problems, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks for losing belly fat fast. Section 1. The science behind belly fat. Before we get into the tips, let's first understand the science behind belly fat. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is different from the subcutaneous fat that lies just beneath the skin. Visceral fat is stored deep in the abdomen and surrounds vital organs. This type of fat is metabolically active and produces hormones and inflammatory substances that can lead to health problems. There are many factors that can contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat, such as genetics, age, and hormones. But the most common cause is an unhealthy lifestyle, which includes a poor diet, sedentary behavior, and lack of sleep. Section 2. Eat a healthy diet. The first and most important step in losing belly fat is to eat a healthy diet. This means focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of alcohol. A good rule of thumb is to make sure that at least half of your plate is filled with vegetables at each meal. Eating a healthy diet can help you lose belly fat in a few ways. First, it can reduce the number of calories you consume, which is necessary for weight loss. Second, it can improve your gut health, which is linked to weight loss and overall health. And finally, it can reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to visceral fat. Section 3. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT. In addition to a healthy diet, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the most effective ways to burn belly fat. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. This type of training has been shown to be more effective for fat loss than steady-state cardio. So, if you're looking to lose belly fat fast, try incorporating some HIIT workouts into your routine. HIIT can help you lose belly fat in a few ways. First, it burns more calories than steady-state cardio, which is necessary for weight loss. Second, it can increase your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. And finally, it can reduce insulin resistance, which is linked to visceral fat. Section 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is also important for losing belly fat. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that has been linked to increased belly fat. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a regular sleep schedule. Getting enough sleep can help you lose belly fat in a few ways. First, it can reduce stress, which is linked to cortisol production. Second, it can improve your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories. And finally, it can improve your overall health, which is linked to weight loss. Section 5. Reduce stress. Finally, reducing stress can also help you lose belly fat. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat. So, try to find ways to reduce stress in your life, such as practicing yoga or meditation. Other ways to reduce stress include getting regular exercise, spending time with loved ones, and taking time for yourself to relax and recharge. Finding ways to manage stress is not only good for losing belly fat, but it's also important for overall health and well-being. In conclusion, losing belly fat fast requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and reducing stress. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, incorporating high-intensity interval training, getting enough sleep, and finding ways to manage stress, you can effectively lose belly fat and improve your overall health. Remember, losing belly fat is not a quick fix, and it requires a commitment to a healthy lifestyle. But with the right strategies and a positive mindset, you can achieve your goals and become a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on health and fitness. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you have. See you in the next video.